thing. It's a treehouse. It's oh, it's a mini. Yeah.
Let me go get it.
Choose this up. This is an iPad Mini 2. So this is the both of us. So let's open it together. This is for both of us. Okay, wait! Okay, look on there. I'm looking at this little cardboard box. Now it's something nice. Ooh! Oh! Let's see.
What? What does the font say?
It says street hockey. Lucky man. Hey, Boogie, see what it is, huh? Ooh, another box. Oh my God, look at this. Okay. Sean, let's open this one back here. It's for both of us too. Peep. Holy! Look at it. Sean, help me get it. This is so heavy that.
Want help? I'll help you.
Okay, leave that there. Leave it.
I'll get it.
Oh, this is so heavy. Oh, look. It's heavy.
Come on out of here. Not here.
Nobody wants a hat. No. Oh my God. Sean, this is easy. Come here. Sean, hold it like that. Okay. Pull. No. Sean, no, you pull while I pull.
Okay, don't pull, just rip it.
Yeah! A bigger box! What's something inside?
Okay, leave it now.
It's too heavy. It says for Ford and Sean. I have to see what this is.
What does it say? Does it say anything?
It's a box. There's something inside it. There's a souvenir.
So open the box, Sean. The box will be down.
I can open the box. Whoa! This. Oh, yeah. Okay, it looks like a net. A hockey net.
Okay, you don't need to open everything. You don't need to open everything.
Felix, yes you do.
You can open it. So it's in the box.
It's a hockey net. Yes, I knew it was.
Want help? Oh, my foot!
Okay, please put that iPad away.
Yeah! Oh, it was nice. Yes! Yes! Time to go back in the game. Because if this keeps up, this is what we're gonna do on Friday.
The box up.
Look! This is yours.
Let's secure this because this is heavy. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Oh.
Sean, I want you to open the one is in the box, Sean. Sean, this one box here, Sean. Right here, this one, Sean.
What's in it? So what? What's in it?
Sean, this box, Sean.
What's in it? Shoes. Shoes? Why would I want shoes? What on earth is the meaning of this? What's the meaning of these shoes? What is the meaning of this? What's it? A drink. A what? Let's see. This is a notepad.
You part of the Wine of the Month Club?
Ooh.
Shani, can you open what's in that box?
It's another one.
Oh my God, be careful on that. Oh my God, that's. Wow, that's awesome.
In the collection. Stop. In the collection. Stop.
Just leave it on the top of the piano.
No! Dad, this is so beautiful.
Oh man.
We have to put it.
Here, careful.
I got it.
Leave it alone. Is that yours, Christian?
I don't know. No. It says third. Okay, so is that third? I'll just put it right.
Yep, for now. Push it back.
Sean, can you open this in the box, Sean? What's it in here?
No, Mom.
Open the for what's in there for. That's Christian, but he did not.
Just the stupid thing.
Try. Don't open another present for you over there.
Oh, there's something inside it. It's just a stupid thing.
Got the wrappers shut first.
No. Now look at the chew on and feel like it's Yes! Hi! Huh?
Is that the one that you want?
It was beige, but
Just gotta tie it up.
Earbuds?
What are those?
I don't know. What is it? A plastic? What?
Is that a case for your iPad?
Yeah. Yep.
You dropped some stuff on it. Look.
Let's see.
Those are earbuds.
What is
Put that in. Put all that, see that box? I want you to put all the little stuff in that box. Yeah. There you go. That's it. Here's Shaggy. These two is your cleaners.
Okay, there's a wire, some earbuds.
Put that in the box.
There's wipes.
Yeah, see this one here? See that one too?
This is for you, Fred. All for you. Really? No, it's a bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. Yes, a hockey bag.
Oh my God, that's huge. Oh my God, you will fit there.
Here, slip in.
Okay. There.
You're gonna step on, you're gonna break something, please.
Yeah.
You break the bear's foot.
Is that
This is like-
your stuff?
Oh, and I got this tiny thing.
Oh, you got it.
Yes. This is like what Brayden has. And this is not cool. Yeah.
Let's go put it out in the hall. Get it out of there. This is not coal. Coal.
Son, it might be cool. Oh, here it is. Oh, I know what they are. Look. But I'm going to give these to you. You can wait. You have to wait. You have to squeeze them together. That's it?
They're good builders.
Now what builders?
That's good. Squeeze. So these looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh!
9, 10. Keep doing up to 100. Just 2, 3.
Oh, she's so heavy. Oh, yes, John. Holy!
Like that piece of wrap. There you go. That's, pick it up, please. Pick up these. Pick up.
Oh, yes, that's a whoa, whoa! Whoa, this is what I wanted. This is like a thousand. This is the weather ball. Yeah, remember this weather ball? I was talking to you about?
That's what it is?
Yeah.
Oh my God. It is.
John, this is so cool.
Drop it.
It is so cool. You gotta place it and
Okay, can you just please keep opening?
put that up later? Set it up. We'll see what the weather's like. Okay?
This is for both of us. Another box. What does Santa have with the boxes?
You must have lost a lot of stuff.
More hockey balls. Roller. Yeah, then I'm guessing mine.
Hey, Chatty.
That's your bag. What is it? It's not a bag. Okay, maybe it is. No. What? This is for both of us. Ew, that's not a bag. Oh my God. What? Yeah, we need a bigger.
Chatty.
Chef, what else for what my bag is?
So Santa must really have watching your... Oh, Alfie told Santa that you've been playing hockey, huh?
How should he know?
Alfie is the...
Alfie's everywhere.
He's the millionaire.
What, Sean? Come on. This is ours.
And then imagine that you see there's that
Tape and wax laces. Nice. Nice. Yeah, nice.
you know the mouth guard because they know that you need it.
Don't slip on stuff.
Sean, this is for you. These are both for you. Oh, this is so light. Another box.
It's gotta be easier to pack them. You carry them down chimneys.
You know, it would be nice if the stuff. Okay. Woohoo! What is it?
Oh, wow. Can we play later?
Okay.
Let's see.
This is a mouth guard and a Gatorade bottle.
See, a mouth guard is
Woohoo!
small.
Mom, it's a Gatorade bottle.
Bag it to it.
See?
That's for hockey.
Oh, we'll play later. As I said it.
Wow. It's supposed to be royal. But we're gonna play Queen Game.
Sean, over there, Sean, there's more over there, that box. Come on, keep doing fast.
Wow. Another box? Nice. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Careful with this. Red top.
Sounds heavy to me.
Please, raspberry. What the? No. Wow.
Be careful on that. Looks like it's gonna the same as. Oh my God.
How is this cracker?
Be careful, Sean. You scared me.
Whoa. This is mine.
Do you love it?
Watch for your second.
Hey, this is the same thing, Sean.
Johnny, put it up there, please. For now. We'll move it later. Thank you. There's more.
Mine?
Careful.
Chess! Oh. I was hoping for checkers.
Checkers. You got a checker set. Checkers. Checkers. Remind the champions.
What the? It's a flashlight. Wait, open this? Open that? And this one's not. Did you open the gift when Mom gave you?
Not yet. There's another one for Sean and for there.
How did I not see it? Well, there's that first one. No, come on. Do one of those. It's another box. You know, Sales was on a roll with boxes today.
There's always a box because it's hard if it's hard for the elves without box.
That's why. Okay, come on. Wrap 4 boards. Oh, for the love of Jesus.
Can you open it?
Get the knife.
It's okay, Dad got it.
Dad got it. Come on. Okay, what is it? Okay, just okay, another box. It's a book. Oh, oh, what book is it? That's the point. It's my other book. Aww.
What is that?
This is a great history book about the pilgrims.
I don't like pilgrims.
At the beginning,
Santa wanted you to read.
there's a reason why I wanted you to get this book.
Oh, Dad, here's it.
Okay, is that last one there? Open there.
Dad, here's it. Open this one. Okay, so. One, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Stop saying that. Get football. Oh, I see. Chess. Another chessboard. What? Stop. Oh, wow. What? Whoa! Yeah.
Oh, computer chess. That's computer chess.
You push the button, then yes.
Ooh, these are fancy dress ones.
Oh, whoops.
Here's your hat for. You like it?
Haha.
Do you like it? No? You like Sean's?
It's not that soft.
Okay.